Bill Dusek. Today we're calling Petsmart, and we're going to see what happens. Hopefully I won't have a stroke, but we'll see. Here we go. Calling Petsmart.
Calling PetSmart, where pets inspire us.
Thank you for calling Petsmart. Lonnie speaking, may I help you?
I'm calling to see if my dog is ready for pickup.
What's your pet name?
Bronco?
Marco?
No, Bronco. Bronco. Is he there? Is he ready to be picked up? I think I hear him barking in the background.
That's a few dogs barking in the background.
Oh. Well, he's got to be part of that group. He's a big barker. So, is he ready to be picked up?
1 second.
Sounds like a torture chamber.
Hold 1 moment.
Sure thing.
Thank you for holding. This is Siobhan speaking. How can I help you?
I'm calling to see if my dog is ready to be picked up.
What is your dog's name?
Bronco.
What is your last name?
Dusek.
I'm sorry?
Dusek.
Okay, give me 1 moment.
Sure thing.
And you brought him to the grooming salon?
That's correct.
What time did you drop him off?
Right around 2:30.
About 2:30?
Yes, ma'am.
What phone number did you put down for us to call you at?
714-2761. It should be under Bill Dusek.
I'm not showing you in our system. Could it have been a different PetSmart?
Is this the one then?
We are in, but there's a different one in also down the road.
Oh, really? But aren't you on a highway?
Yes, sir.
So is there the other one on the same street?
It is, but it's further down south and it's highway.
Okay. So my dog's not there.
I'm not showing him in our system.
Can I get the number for the other one?
Sure. Just let me know when you're ready.
Okay, hold on. I got a pen. Okay. Whenever you're ready.
It's
Okay.
721
Okay.
0650.
Okay.
All right, you have a good day, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye. I didn't write down the number. I'm gonna call back in about 5 minutes and be like they don't have them.
Petsmart Grooming Salon, how can I help you?
Yeah, I called about 5 minutes ago asking if my dog was ready for pickup.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that for me, sir?
I called about 5 minutes ago and asked if my dog was ready for pickup.
What's the name of your dog again?
Bronco.
Blanco?
Bronco.
Okay, and the last name?
My last name is Dusek.
Yeah, the last name?
That's Dusek.
Okay, do you know the name of your groomer?
I do not.
Okay, one
I
second.
was told to call the place down the street, and they don't have them either. So I think you guys lost them.
Okay, one sec. Okay, Jasper, right?
No. Bronco. B as in boy. R-O-N-C-O. Like the
Okay, and
Broncos.
then he came in for grooming today?
Yep, I dropped him off about 2:30. And I'm getting very angry because he's not there.
And what kind of dog is he?
A rat terrier.
Okay. Okay, and
He's about 4 years old.
He's supposed to be here right now getting groomed?
He's supposed to be gone, but he's not there. He's not on your premises.
Okay.
I've tried calling other Petsmarts, so I'm starting to get concerned.
The only dogs that we have here, sir, is a Samson, a Dakota, a Bailey, Penny, Delilah, Drake, a Chanel, a Maynard, a Jasper, a Zool, and a Minka. None of those are your dog, right?
No.
Okay. Are you sure you said you dropped them off at this PetSmart around 2 o'clock?
Yep, and I thought I had the wrong number, so I called the other one down the street from you guys, and they don't have them either.
Okay, yeah, maybe it is the other PetSmart down the street. Would you have their phone number?
No, I tried that. I
And
tried calling them.
they didn't have it as well?
Right. So I'm starting to get pretty concerned.
Yeah, I don't have that dog in our system, sir.
Oh wow, this is not good. My grandson is gonna kill me.
Oh man, one sec.
Sure thing.
Alright, 1 second, alright, sir? Just 1 second, give me 1 sec.
Sure thing.
Calling Petsmart with Pets and Family. This is Sam. Help you.
Yeah, I was on hold.
Hello.
Yep, I was on hold. I'm waiting here on
Were
hold.
you on hold?
Yeah.
What were you holding for?
There was a guy. I forgot his name.
And what were you looking for?
I was looking for my dog.
Is your dog in a hotel?
No, I was waiting for him to get groomed.
Oh, to get groomed. Let me connect you to grooming. Could you hold?
Sure.
Thanks for calling Petsmart Grooming. How may I help you?
Um,
Hello?